If you're new to crypto, the first thing I want to say is this: you don't need to be fast, you need to be correct. Most beginners think crypto starts with buying coins. In reality, it starts with understanding how the system works. The first step is learning the fundamentals. Understand what a blockchain actually is, how transactions are recorded, and why decentralization matters in the first place. Crypto is not just about price. It's about digital ownership and trust without intermediaries. Once you understand that, the next focus should be security. Learn how wallets work, the difference between hot wallets, cold wallets, and exchanges, and why controlling your private keys is so important. If you don't understand custody, you don't truly own anything in crypto. After security, you need to understand markets. Not price predictions, not hype, but basic market behavior. Learn about market cycles, volatility, and why risk management matters more than profit in the long run. This is where many beginners fail. They trade before they understand risk, use leverage before they understand losses, and chase trends without a plan. A practical, long-term approach means moving slowly. It means starting small, observing how markets react, and building experience before taking bigger risks. Crypto rewards patience, not urgency. The goal in the beginning is simple: stay in the market long enough to learn. If you can protect your capital and keep learning, you already have an edge over most participants. Crypto is not a shortcut to wealth. It's a skill set that compounds over time. And if you approach it that way, you give yourself the best chance to succeed.